Hello, welcome to the new weekly video. Me, Philbilly, as normal. And this morning, it's Monday morning, I'm actually in the work van. I'm on the way to Dixon's Commercial Exporters and Breakers. They're in Stanley or Anfield Plain. Gonna go and see whether I can, if they've got a pair of steer tyres that I could buy for the ERF or get for the ERF. The front tyres of steer tyres need to be under 10-year-old. For safety reasons. If you've ever seen a steer axle blowout, they're bloody terrifying. I'll try and find a clip of a steer axle blowout, and they cause some carnage, and you're very lucky if you get away with it. Well, I'm back at work now. Unfortunately, Dixie's did not have any 295/80 steers in date. Mine are actually currently in date, but will be out of date mid this year. So that's that bit buggered. And now I think I'm going to do some actual filming for the wagon. Do some filming because we're stuck at the minute because the oven's broken down, so we can't get on with our jobs. We had to postpone our job this week. Hopefully we've got other jobs coming in, but we need to wait for the electrician to come and fix the oven. Or spray booth, should I say. So I think because I've got some time, it's dry outside, what I might do is look at the wagon, see what she needs for test. And this will be coming up into a new video, possibly next week. Yes. It's dry, very windy outside, but it's dry. So what I might do is I might go through and make a list of what we need to do to get the wagon through its test. Right, so I've got my piece of paper. I'm inside because of the wind. So first off, I know we need steer tyres. So 295 80 22.5s in date steers. And if anyone's wondering, yes, I do have problems reading my writing sometimes. ABS fuse fault. That says fuse, very scribbly. So as you can see, it's now dark. I'm going home and I'll come back to it tomorrow, I think, or next time I get 5 minutes. This is where it'd be really handy to have a wiring diagram, but I don't have one, so I'll figure it out, I'm sure. And now we're into Tuesday. Today is going to be quite an exciting day because Dad's new toy's getting delivered. It's exciting. This will be exciting. KTM's going away. That's sold. The Wasp is sold too now. That's going away soon to a local man who we've known for years and years, and he's actually going to race it, which is cool. So yeah, waiting for them to turn up. Have a bit of clean up again, and I think I'm going to try and get a little bit more done on the wagon. New toys here. Are you ready to see it? It's going to be exciting. It's going to be exciting. I'm not going to show you till it's out. Well, the new toy's here. Are you ready to see Dad's new toy in a second? It's a very nice piece of kit, I'll say that. I'm not going to give you any clues. This is a new toy. Oh, Dad's new toy. Here it is. The hand change, I'll show you when it comes back down. It's a really, really nice thing. Hello. Can't beat a cup of tea. It's too hot at the minute. Look at all these red with green traces coming out the same plug. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. This is going to be really fun. And today is Tuesday. It's a lot colder, but a lot sunnier. So, let's see what we're going to get up with today. I'm going to spend some more time wiring diagnostics on the wagon. So you can see the doors open there. Dad, he'll be playing with his new toy, I think. So let's wait and see what comes in. Well, this will give you an idea of what the temperature's like. It's snowing! Yay! Snow! Now this is a reenactment, but so this. Oh, what's this? Snap-on screwdriver! Look at that! Reenactment with dramatisation for extra results. So, yes, here's Dad's new toy. It is the BMW R12 sidecar. Very nice. It's a 1939 German military motorbike, and the story behind it, as far as we know, is, I'll stand this way so you can see it. The story behind it, as far as we know, is it was brought back into the country, into the UK, as a war trophy. It was registered in 1944, so it's obviously been in the country since the Second World War, and it's been restored, but it's not in the right colours. So what Dad is wanting to do is we're going to paint it. We're going to paint it into military colours, German military colours. And you might say, looking at this video here, that's not a nice thing to do, but to me and Dad, it would be a lot nicer in the right colours, because it's a military bike, it should be military colours. It's a wartime bike, it should be wartime colours. And also things like the paintwork on it is nice, but it's not amazing. So things like these stripes aren't amazingly done. Bits of marks and stuff, little bits of scabs, but Dad is going to start getting it ready to paint it, and we're going to paint it into German, I think it's German military sign colours, I think. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but we'll show you when we start. I'm going to start a proper video on the bike and go through what Dad's doing with it. So now we'll leave Dad to get on with this. I'm going to get some wiring done on the wagon for another video, and we'll I'll pop in and out and we'll get updates on it. And if I'm working on it, I'll do some filming. I'll pop in and keep an eye on seeing what Dad's doing with it. Proper job. First thing I'm doing, taking, there's a plug here, which is this plug, which runs to this, which is my fuel pump. It's cut off. Hello, we're into Wednesday. And I'm not gonna lie, I did some editing last night. Is it Wednesday? No, it's not Wednesday. We're into Thursday. And I'm not gonna lie, last night I've realised how much doing these weekly videos is better in my head, especially when I'm filming weekly video, then straight into main video, then into another video, because I'm actually losing a load of content, but losing content, stuff like that. So I'm still new to it. And also this week's weekly video will be a bit shorter because I've taken tomorrow off. I'm going to go work at home tomorrow on my bathroom. Dad's been busy with the bike, his new BMW. Are you ready to see? There's a big bit missing. There it is. I've already started, Dad pulled this apart yesterday and started rubbing it down. And this is the colour of the car. It looks a lot different in camera, but it looks proper job. It's the same colour that they were supplied in from factory on the research we've done. That is the colour they were supplied in. Lovely. And I'll come back to that in a minute and do some proper filming with that in a second for that video. And I'm busy with the ERF still doing wiring diagnostics on that ABS. Not much has happened today. I've been trying to get my snow's landing on the lens. Been trying to get my night heater working because night heater wouldn't graft, and it's been really cold, so I fixed my night heater. Now I'm just running it up hot because I tried to get it to bleed. It wouldn't bleed, and I go over this in the video that I've done on the wagon. And she filled everything full of diesel. Just put diesel in without igniting it, so it's filled everything with diesel. So at the minute it's like having a Gardner, or an old Gardner 6LW or something. It's like starting, it's nowhere near as bad as it was, it's definitely clearing out, but it was like starting one of these. Big clouds of smoke. There we go, and made me cuppa just cleared. Hunky dory. Now I'm going to jump inside and get warm. So I just talked to you for 2 minutes because so far this weekly video is not that interesting, I wouldn't have said. There's a bit happened, not that much. Because there's not that much I've been able to really film. A lot of my filming that I've been doing is for the main videos, like the ERF and Dad's new bike. I've been chasing this ABS fault wire fault for 3 days now, which does not make good content because I can't put 3 days worth of me just looking at wires and going, no, it's not that one. Might be that one. No, it's not that one. I am just cracking on. I'll have to see what video I get up this weekend for the next main video, like Kim's car. she's got a new Volvo V40. It's a D3 5-pot diesel 2 litre, and anyone that's done one of them or has touched one of those will know that the water pumps are not a fun water pump to do. And I found this out after I bolted it. I might put that video up instead of the ERF video, because the ERF video is not going to be anywhere near ready. And if I put it out, it's going to be crap, and I don't want to be putting out crap content, because what's the point in putting out rubbish content? I'd rather hold back, put something else out, and come back to the ERF content soon when I get a bit more forward with the wagon. And also tomorrow, because I'm off tomorrow, I have booked the day off because me and Kim are working at home. We're going to be putting the kitchen, not the kitchen, we did the kitchen last year, the bathroom, carrying on with our bathroom project. So, good news, found the wire. That's the wire there. Plugged in my thingy. It's dark, so I'm going to use a torch. Everyone's doing there, and doing under the carpet. Goes under the carpet, then runs along, under the bed, comes out to there, runs all the way along, and then goes to the ABS module there. Yeah. I could be wrong, I'm just going to do something like that so you can see ish. Now, I know that's a very long-winded way to go to get wires over there. Question is the wire faulty because it runs underneath here, underneath the carpet, or is it just the module's faulty? Hindsight is a wonderful thing. I should have just pulled the module to start with. But me being me, I've done things backwards and hard way. Makes good videos, I suppose. And we're into Friday. I am currently in the passenger seat of Kimmy's car, and I'm going to go get a head trim. Much needed. Now we're getting on with the bathroom. So, yeah, come back to you in a bit. So you might see, I had a fight with a hedge trimmer. Head trimmer, get it? Yeah. So, yeah, now we're going to be getting on with our bathroom. So I also brought home the ABS module for the wagon, so I can pull this apart and have a look inside, see if there's anything I can have a look inside and see whether there's anything fused or obvious that I can fix in there. If not, I'll have to get a new one, I think. So this is what I've been busy with recently. Reason why we haven't been on the wagon as much weekend is extending our bathroom. Ow. So that door is still here, this door frame was here, there was a wall here, I chopped that out, moved that, that was boarded up ages ago, we've knocked all the plaster off, did that last week. Got this door to fit, floor to lay, wall to board, so lots to do. So yeah, I think I'll call it a day at this video now, because it's the end of the week. We'll come back to you next week and hopefully we'll get some more work done on everything. Wagons, bikes, work, whatever comes in, we'll get filming. So yeah, hope you're enjoying the videos, hope that you're enjoying the new weekly videos. I'm getting the hang of them. They aren't, like this one I kind of confused myself a bit, so I'll get the hang of them. We'll stick with it, see how they do. If they're too much, we'll figure that out later. But yeah, hope you're enjoying the videos. Let us know if you are in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up, like and all that stuff if you're liking them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the wagon videos, bike videos, with Dad's new BMW, anything else you want to see. But yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit. Have fun and ta-ra for now.